guys, this is Lynette, and all these spoilers come to you via my subscription edition. Definitely go check them out. They have spoilers basically on every subscription. So the very first spoiler they're sharing is from Sunday Riley. This is a vitamin C hydration cream. I looked on the site. It can either retail from $22 to $65 depending on the amount of the jar that they provide with us. And then the number 2 spoiler that they give is from Jolie Cosmetics. This is for Luxe Cream Trio in Scuro, Lilla, and Amore. So I looked on the site. It looks like they can vary. It looks like the average R for the set is $45. So, and hot off the press, just added 111 Skin Vitamin C Brightener Booster. This retails for $180. Oh my gosh. Thank you, my subscription addiction, for sharing those with us. Definitely check their site out. And with that being said, you guys enjoy your day. Stay tuned, subscribe if you dig videos like this.